Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor of SNS Institution, B-Spine. So today we are going to look into the topic of data to drive impactful decisions. So yes, what is data is a lifeblood of modern AI solutions. So by harnessing the power of data, organizing can unlock invaluable insights to drive strategic decision making and achieve transformative business outcome. So, in this modern world, without data, we cannot find anything else. So, the data are the most required thing to sort anything in this real time world. So, data plays a vital role even into an organization as well as into a personal life. So, everything is data and everything is content here. So, So let us look into the role of data. So the role of data is first we have to collect the data. So that is data collection, gathering the high quality, diverse data in the foundations, building effective AI model. So to build a foundation, to build a building, foundation for a building, we need to gather the high quality data. So the data which has a uh, higher amount of responsibilities as well as the uh, valuable things. So the high quality data are like most required thing. So data pre-processing, cleaning, transforming, and structuring data ensures it's ready for analysis and modeling. So while collecting data, there will be a random sample data or else random any other data. So we need to clean the data and pick the data whichever we want to make the performance or like we have to do certain things with the data. So to create a solutions for the given problem. So on that point of time, we should make sure that the data is clean. The data doesn't have any miscellaneous files or data doesn't have uh, unwanted data are included with that. So we need to ensure the clearance of data is more important. So predictive analytics. AI model can uncover hidden patterns and generate the forecast to guide the decision making. So this AI process will help us with the clear data which we are giving to the AI software. It will separate it and it will do the predictive analysis and give us a solution uh, in a proper way so that we can make decisions very clearly. So identifying relevant data. So we do have like three kinds of data. So one is internal data, another one is external data, and the third one is unstructured data. So this internal data has the historical records as well as the transactional data. So we can take the historical base into, say yes, in this external data, the insights by incorporating public or industry and competitor data from outside sources. So the internal data is something which the data is collected internally from the teams or from the organizations. So for the external data which we collect, the data about the public or industry or like competitors. So we do collect the data and we fill it here. So unstructured data. So unstructured data is kind of extra valuable informations from text, image, audio, and other unstructured data formats. So data cleaning and pre-processing. So we do have like three steps in it to make the data cleaning and pre-processing. Identifying the errors. So detect and address missing values, duplicates, and other data quality issues. Standardize formats. Ensure consistent data types, units, and formatting across your dataset. Feature engineering. Create new variables that enhance the predictive process of your models. Exploratory data analysis. So, so visualize patterns, identify relationships, spot anomalies, info, inform hypothesis. So what is that visual patterns? Let us read it out. Use chart, graphs, and other value tools to uncover insights and trends in your data. So if in case we do have a data of comparison, so the market of pencil is 70 percentage and the market of pen is around 90 percentage. So it will be more efficient if we show this in a graph manner, so that visual format things can be played a vital role, as well as it gives us more realistic, as well as urge to see the pictures and the solutions clearly. So the graph chart as well as the pie charts, we do have like plenty of visualizations tools, so that we can view it very easily, as well as it will be more comfortable for us to identify the product which is higher or lower. So identifying relationship, analyze correlation and dependencies between the variable to guide model development. Spot anomalies, detect outliers and unusual data points that may require further investigations. Inform hypothesis, leverage EDA insights to formulate testable hypothesis for model validation. So feature engineering and selection has three stages. One is domain knowledge, another one is feature transformation, and another one is feature selections. So what is domain knowledge? Your expertise to create a meaningful new feature for the raw data. So the data which has no structure, we have to make it as a meaningful new features. That is known as domain knowledge. Feature transformation, apply mathematical functions to enhance the predictive power of your variables. So feature selections, identify and retain the most informative features to improve model performance. Okay, model development and evaluation. Train, test, split. We do have like three set of programs, whatever it is. Train, test, split, hyperparameter tuning, model validation. So what is a train and test split? So we do have data sets and we are going to make it into two set of data sets. Uh, one will be the training data set, and another one will be a testing data set. So this is known as the train test split to evaluate the performance of the model which we are going to create as algorithms. Hyperparameter tuning, optimizing model parameters to achieve the best possible results. Model validation is something as the accuracy, the precision, and the other key metrics to ensure reliability. Interpreting the model out. Prediction accuracy. How reliable does the model predict the targeted value? Features importance. What input variable have the greatest impact on the model predictions? Edge cases. So are there any data points or scenarios where the model performs poorly? So these are the questions should be asked while the three important features are implemented. So that is all for the video. Thank you so much.